Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here and I'm headed into Dollar Tree. So I thought I'd invite you all to come along with me. Let's go shopping. So let's start over here in the party section. They have all of these napkins that to me look like they are from Party City. Now I am at an out of the way Dollar Tree today, and I did not expect to find this little Dollar Tree where I was headed. So I'm so excited. It's a really big store and they have things that my local stores do not have. These are so pretty. These remind me of the ones you can pick up and put in one of those rectangular trays in like a guest bathroom or powder room. And I know that my store does not have anything like this, so it's nice to find things that you have never seen before in the Dollar Tree. I think some of these remind me of a few I've seen at places like Tuesday Morning, and some of them are so neutral you could just have them on hand for a season. Now on the end cap, I found this wolf washer. It's an as seen on TV product. It's just this ring you hook up to your hose to wash your pup. I think this would be hilarious to see in action because I don't know a dog that would stand for that. They also have lots of the puppy pads, and my normal stores do not get those in. They have this massive display of yarn, and wow, I wish I had any kind of need for it because this stuff can be so pricey in other stores. The little bells are out. I have seen these in my store. I think those are fun around Christmas time. A little gold pig I've never really seen before. I'm not sure what that is for. And some of the magnets that are out. Good vibes only. And there's this one on the bottom in teal that basically makes fun of Mondays. I found all of the little houses again, so it's fun to see them in person a second time now, and took a while for them to make it down to my area in California. I picked up 5. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do, but there will be a DIY. I finally am able to see the cherry dishes. So this store did not have any lemon, but my regular stores have not had any of the fruit dishes in at all. And as a matter of fact, when we were on vacation, I looked for them in Nevada and Idaho, and I did not see them at any Dollar Trees. There's only one cherry plate left. Now let's move on to a few other things in the beauty product aisles. This is a very large body wash I've never seen in my stores. They have 3 scents. I opened them up. They did not smell wonderful. Some really nice packaging on this shaving balm. Lots of hair care products, moisturizers and styling products. I know I have seen some of these items at Walmart, so I'm sure that this is going to be a great savings. The Lusty brand is something we used with my daughter when she was much younger. Her hair was so curly. It is kind of straightened out as it's gotten longer, but I know that these cost more than $1 in the store. Here's my favorite product. I found more of the Color Oasis, which can be found at Sally Beauty Supply for like $15. Some cute new bathroom items in sports themes. They have basketball and football. I know I saw them somewhere else in baseball, and this cute little frog version. This would be really cute for a boy's bathroom. They have the little toothbrush holders and the soap dishes. I also found the Pure Silk Coconut Body Oil. This smelled very much like coconut. I didn't have a need for it, but it was another thing that was just fun to find. They also have it in the body wash. And then the Pure Silk brand is putting out the tea tree oil shampoo and conditioner. Good timing for back to school because tea tree does help fight against things like lice that we all know happen in the classroom. Some fun organizing containers. I wish they had these in just a little bit bigger size. And this store has some of the stencils. So I saw the stencils one other Dollar Tree, but not in this many versions. They have the butterflies and then sort of this love and hearts version. That's all that was really new in sort of the craft area. So let's go over to the kitchen department. You guys, they're putting out some really nice placemats. Like, I really struggled because we don't use placemats except for decorative, maybe in the center of the table, and I really wanted them because they just look so much more than $1. I found this fun little banana slicer. I'm not sure why you would need a banana slicer. I just use a knife, but it is a fun gadget to find. And I'm back to these. I so want them, but I don't need them, and the struggle can be real. I found these large candles. So these are about 2 or 3 times the size of the normal Dollar Tree candles. They're in a few scents that make me believe they're putting them out for the fall. Sort of a berry version, vanilla bourbon, and then like an apple cinnamon. Now, they don't smell super strong, but I think that they definitely look like they cost more than $1. Now I just wanted to share a few things in the teacher department. They had these foiled ABC alphas in red, green, and blue. A few little pieces of wall decor, sort of little vinyl items you can add to your decorations in your classroom. And some of these things I have definitely not seen in my Dollar Tree. This is always a good find if you can locate them. They're the 4-inch alphas. They're die cuts and they come in all kinds of colors, yellow, black, and blue. And I know that this will save teachers a lot of time and energy when they're setting up some of their bulletin boards. A few more things like little dry erase items, as well as these hall passes, which I think are really nice. And then they've got more things for your decor in your classroom. Little cutouts of frogs and inchworms or caterpillars, some cars, maybe with a theme you're going places, and these adorable trailers. How cute are those? Also some trees. Right up front where they have so many of the back to school items, they're putting out fall in this store. Now I have seen a little bit of fall, mainly just the pumpkins at my local stores, but this store is really putting out fall. So they have all of these pumpkins which look like they're carved wood, but they feel more like cement or concrete. They're so heavy. They have all of the gold topped pumpkins, and they have them in cream, in green, as well as in orange. They're definitely reminding me of some that were at Target last year. Lots of returning items, a little standing decor, a little scarecrow boy and girl, and the pumpkins with the different sayings and sentiments on them, as well as all of the metallic pumpkins back from last year. These are new this year. They have a little bit of scroll work and glitter on them. They have them in at least one color. I found this brown one in the back. I think I picked this one up last year and ended up painting it to look like it was gray or metal. They're so cute together, the 4 different shapes and sizes. Last year they had the orange one, and then they did not have this green one. They had the brown, and then the white one was the same shape as the orange and the brown. So they've switched it up and added another shape. So that's kind of fun. Now they've got 2 taller ones and 2 shorter ones. Down on the bottom, I found these, and these definitely look like something Pottery Barn had out a while ago. These look like they would definitely be more than $1, and they have them in 3 different color versions. I think this one is definitely my favorite. Almost like a marbled look. And they brought back the lunch bags, you guys, so if your child is like mine, they lose their lunch bag and you don't want to spend a lot for it, so you may want to look for them at the Dollar Tree. I think this is a really good deal. These white erasers can be quite pricey. I found the 2-sided Jot pencil cases. Those are lots of fun. And the binders I will pick up if the kids need like an extra binder for music or something, but it is not what I pick up for their main binder. I also found the pencil box in teal my normal stores have not had, and these cute little portfolios for definitely younger children. So let me show you how this works. They have it in the unicorn, so the front of it is actually a pocket, and then you open it up and it has the normal 2 sides. The back is just flat, but these are really cute and fun for the little ones. Some really nice little clipboards. This one's the smaller size, and they have this larger one, Wild and Free, and some really nice plastic folders. So this is the pineapple version, and on first sight, it definitely looks heavy duty and plastic, but upon further investigation, I figured out this was just a really firm paper. So these are kind of like, I guess, an upgraded version of the Peachy. The stand tall is covered in glitter. It's not really picking up here on camera. They do have the plastic portfolios, and this one's fun because it has a pencil pouch on the front of it that you unzip. They have it in a few colors, and they have revamped their pencil holders. They look like this now in a few new colors. This is something we use daily in our house to hold our phones. They have magnetic bookmarks with lots of different little prints and sayings on them. So these are a cute little addition to your back to school shopping if you're going to have someone doing a lot of reading. Now this is definitely more of a dorm item. It's a heavy cardboard with a magnetic strip on the back. It's got a little clip on it for putting a photo with different sayings like my tribe, family. So this is something that you definitely want to keep an eye out for maybe the fridge. They have a whole fun little display that is just giving me all of those 5th grade vibes. I would have gone crazy for this stuff when I was little. And just a quick look up front near the registers as I'm checking out, I found the little furry hearts in pink and teal, blue and yellow. And they have all of the calendars out. So last year I was blown away by their calendars. This year they're doing a good job. I would say I'm not so impressed yet, but they do have the little desk versions in lots of prints. And these little organizers or planners, which are pretty cute. So they're just little weeks at a time. They have them in a couple different prints. Down below they have a few more. So these remind me more of like a magazine. They're not the hardcover. They have a nice plastic covering. They have them in a few prints. This one is so cute. And again, it's just the weekly layout. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming to this Dollar Tree I normally don't frequent. It's way out of the way for me, but I thought we would stop in and see if we could find anything new. I hope you enjoyed seeing what they have, and I'll see you guys back very soon in the next video.